How to download the official Windows 11 ISO file. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to download the Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft official website. So now let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and then search for Windows 11 ISO download. Once you type in, hit an enter. Here you will come across various websites. From where you need to click on the initial one that is indicating download Windows 11 in the www.microsoft.com. Tap on it. Once you're on the website, you will see three options for installing Windows 11. That is Windows 11 Installation Assistant and create Windows 11 on Installation Media and download the Windows 11 disk image ISO file. This is the option we want. So under the section for the Windows 11, select it and then click on download now, that is highlighted in blue color. This will validate your request, and after a moment you will see a section for selecting the product language. Choose English International and then click on confirm. After a few seconds, a download button for Windows 11 will appear. Click on that button to start downloading the ISO file, and it may take some time to download. And once the download is completed, you will have the ISO file, which is about 6 GB in size. And that's how you can download the Windows 11 ISO file. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.